1941 Dodge I picked up from my daughter. I'm gonna street ride it for her in a few years. She gets a little older. Old truck's pretty solid. It's got a Chevrolet fender on this side. You can see where they jerry rigged. Great big old bolt up in it for the leaf spring to hold it in place. But that's alright, we ain't using none of that junk no way. Those old nasty seats out of it. I've been trying to get this truck since 2006. I towed it away from the farm that it come from last weekend for a buddy of mine. He wound up getting it before I did. I'm happy I got it now, but I didn't want to get it the way I got it. He couldn't keep it up at his shop. When was the last time you seen that rode on something? Old truck's pretty solid. Floor's good shape. Bottom of the doors. He said you couldn't ask for it to be much better. Been sat in the field for years. A neighbor told me that he moved down there in 1967 and he has never seen this truck come out of that driveway. For a cedar tree growing through it. Pushed the fender